The C-Zone Digital Control and Monitoring Network brings unique features to the fishboat segment. Smokercraft Incorporated's premium fishboats are fully equipped with a C-Zone system. Follow along to learn how to take full advantage of the control capabilities at your fingertips. The C-Zone system employs a variety of precautions to ensure a safe boating experience. One of these being two-step load shedding. The first shed takes place at low voltage, which is 12.1 volts. At this stage, the stereo, 12 volt/USB, push button lights, and interior accent lights are shed. At the very low voltage stage, when voltage dips to 11.6 volts, the multifunction display, accessory power, bow live well pump, aft live well pump, and drain pump are shed. The premium fishboat from Smokercraft Incorporated features 4 distinct modes to simplify several control functions into one press. Fish on mode turns the bow live well aerator on, then fills for 6 minutes, cycles 3 minutes off, then 6 minutes on again. Turns the aft live well aerator on, then fills for 6 minutes, cycles 3 minutes off, then 6 minutes on again, and turns the drain pump off. Fish off mode turns the bow live well off, bow live well aerator off, aft live well off, aft live well aerator off, and drain pump on for 5 minutes, then it automatically shuts off. Night cruise mode turns accessory power on, navigation lights on, and all-around light on. Day cruise mode turns accessory power on, navigation lights off, and all-around light off. Selecting the cold water aeration button changes the timer for the aft and bow aerators to 3 minutes on and then 3 minutes off. The auto bilge feature is enabled when a GPS signal is present on N2K via the multifunction display or engine. The bilge will automatically turn on for 1 minute when the vessel reaches over 25 miles per hour. The C-Zone digital switching system brings innovative technology to Smokercraft Incorporated's fish boats, ultimately simplifying the boating experience, allowing you to focus on enjoying your time on the water. For more information, visit our website.